my dear ones. It is Saturday today, and we are here in our speaking session. And today, today's topic is very common that can be spoken by both B20 and B21 students. That is rainy season, and it is my advice to listen to those who are taking these classes for a long time and who are speaking a bit better than the newer students. So it is my advice. So very good. I have got the names of B20, B11, Rohit, Harshit, Gaurav, Harsh, Rakshit, Anvi. Okay, ठीक है. सुनिए, एक दूसरे को सुना करो ध्यान से. थॉट्स आते हैं, आपके थॉट्स इंप्रूव होते हैं. दूसरी बात, क्लास छोड़ के कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. एक भी कोई बहुत ज्यादा इमरजेंसी है तो आप मुझे कॉल करेंगे. ऐसे क्लास में से बेटा अगर आज एक भी चला गया ना, सच बता रहा हूँ, मंडे की भी छुट्टी है उसकी. फिर अगर कोई क्लास में से चला जाए तो मंडे को भी छुट्टी मान लेना उसकी. एक दिन की तो छुट्टी कर ही दूंगा मैं उसकी. अच्छे समझ लेना. बिल्कुल लास्ट में जाओगे आप जब मैं बोलूंगा क्लास इज ओवर, उससे पहले एक भी नहीं जाएगा. हाँ यार, हर बार भग जाते हो. समझ में आ गई बात
सर
आपको? हाँ
सर, फिर तो आप उनको एक गिफ्ट दे रहे हो कि मंडे की छुट्टी मिल
गिफ्ट
जाएगी उनको.
दूंगा मैं तेरे को. गिफ्ट तेरे पापा से बात करूंगा मैं. गिफ्ट मिलेगी तेरे पापा से. तेरे को तेरे पापा से कहूंगा इसको बढ़िया से गिफ्ट दो एक. पापा से बात करूंगा फिर मैं. गिफ्ट ये है सबसे बड़ी.
तो मेरे को गिफ्ट दो आज.
मेरे को भी दूंगा. रुक जा तू पहले.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग our session, and first of all I am calling, and it is my advice to all that listen to others so carefully so that you can also improve your thoughts, your speaking. Focus करो. listening पे भी focus किया करो थोड़ा सा. So first of all I am calling Rohit.
Yes sir.
Yes Rohit, come on.
Yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav and today I am going to tell you about rainy season. As you all know that there are many seasons in a whole year, like winter, summer, autumn, rainy, spring.
कैमरे सब चालू
So,
रखेंगे अपने अपने. कोई किसी का कैमरा बंद नहीं होगा.
so today I will tell you about rainy season, which is also known as monsoon season. So as you all know that in rainy season it rains everywhere in our surrounding. Our surrounding is wet and there are some patches between the rain showers in our rain showers in rainy days. Like some days it does not rain and some days it rain. And in between when sun shines, it is very humid and we feel like sweating a lot. This is because of humidity.
शाबाश.
And rainy seasons are very best seasons because
वेरी
in
मत लगाया
this.
करो बेस्ट से पहले.
Yes sir.
वेरी नाइस
Because
सीजन कहते हो, वो तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है. उससे पहले क्या वेरी लगाओगे? बोलो आगे.
yes sir, because in this season we feel like we should bath in the rain water. And we also eat things like pakodis and some other food items during this season. It is a very good season because in this season it is greenery everywhere in our surrounding. If you will go outside your house and look around in your surrounding, you will find everything green. And in villages, it is the best season for the production of kharif crops such as bajra, jowar, maize, etc. It is also important season for commercial purposes because sometimes because nowadays as we can see that people to travel from one place to another book Uber, Ola, these types of bikes. But in this and the profit of cab cars are
कैमरे चालू करो
decreasing.
अपने. ईच एंड एवरीवन. बोलो बेटा बोलो.
Yes, sir. The profit of cab cars is decreasing day by day, and in this season, people prefer to travel in cab cars, taxi cars, which is also good for their health also. A lot of people fall ill in this season because in this season there are a lot of diseases spreading because of a lot of because of a lot of dirtiness in our house, and the bacterias come to house with the shoes and our body. This is a very good season. We should enjoy it, but we should not bath much in the rain, so that we can be healthy. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हर्षित,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Moran, and today's my topic is a monsoon season. As we all know very well that monsoon starts from.
तो मैं गर्भित की फोन में से ले रही हूँ।
बिल्कुल अपना माइक बंद करो सब लोग, हर्षित के अलावा। बोलो बेटा।
Sir, मैं starting से बोलता हूँ।
हाँ बोल।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Moran, and today's my topic is monsoon season. Monsoon season in India starts from June and last till September. And monsoon is a very good season for our surroundings and for our nature. And this season is liked by me very much because in this season my plants get green, and as it is my hobby to keep my plants healthy. So in my view, this is the best season according to me. And in this season, we most of the children and also elders enjoy very much because of rain, and they take bath in rain also. And in monsoon season, there are also many things to be precautioned. Like we can see that in our surroundings there are many diseases like malaria, etc., which spreads due to the dirty water in the rain when it falls down. The water gets dirty and muddy. So there are sometimes mosquitoes and many creatures who take birth in those things. So as we can see that nowadays monsoon is going on, and we can see our surroundings getting green, and this is the best part about the monsoon, that our green. I like and enjoy the season the most because because our environment and nature is like by everyone in India or in whole of the city. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। गौरव।
Yes, sir. Hello, I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is rainy season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season, but I don't like it because whenever I step outside in after rain, so there's so much dirt, and I don't like dirt because I'm allergic. But seeing rain is quite beautiful because everywhere I see is there is only greenery, and it also makes some beautiful waterfalls. And in rains there are winds very powerful that they can bend they can bend powerful trees. Like there is a tree in my house's garden. It's quite tall. So when there is rain, so strong wind comes and bend that, and always make the tree bend. So rainy season is very beautiful, but I don't like it. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। नाउ हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is monsoon season. or we can say rainy season. As we know, the nowadays it is raining too much because it is the rainy season, and this is my favorite season because in this season there is greenery everywhere. We can enjoy the cold wind blowing, and also the water drops and water spots on the roads because they looks like a river. And in this we can see, in this we feel that we are in the foreign countries, because there is a lot of greenery feels us like uh, which feels us like the
Yeah,
which makes us feel like the countries which are there in east. And the cold winds, the sweet sound of rain makes us happy. And but there are also disadvantages of it for the villagers, because in this all the insects try to find a place where they can hide themselves from rainwater. So they enters the room so they enters the home of the villagers, which can cause their life. But it is also but rainy season is also advantage, because in this season we can grow kharif crops like bajra, jowar, etc., because they need a lot of water. And in this season there is a lot of water everywhere. In this season the city people like to eat pakodis, because this hot food makes us feel happy in this season. But there are also many microorganisms invited to our body due to this season. And if we bath in the first 4 or 5 rains of this season, then we can fall sick because of acid rain. So we should not bath in rain in its first 5 stars. And that's it, sir.
very good. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is rainy season. As you all know, that we live in the country India, where we can see all types of seasons, and rainy season is one of the seasons in them among these seasons. And time period of rainy season is from June or July to uh, August or September. And we know that there are two types of rainy season is also known as monsoon season, and it is divided into parts, that is advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Advancing monsoon means the monsoon that is coming, and retreating monsoon means the monsoon that is going. And we know that there are both disadvantages and advantages of this season. like uh, like in this season we can see that there is neither cold nor hot. There is a medium temperature, and which can feel us good. And
Can make us feel
okay, sir, which can
पॉजिटिव बात
make us
लगेगी
feel
यहाँ पर.
good. Okay, sir. And in this season we see that at most of the places there is greenery because of rains. And in this season we see that most of the time it rains, but sometimes it doesn't rain. And this season is very beneficial, and also not for plants, because in this season plants get mineral water from the rains. But when plants get a lot of water from the rains, it become harmful for them.
Very good.
But
माइक बंद करो,
in
किसका
this
माइक चल रहा है? हाँ बोलो.
and and there are also many disadvantages along with the advantages of this season. In this season, at most of the places there fills water at the ground, and which makes which gives us problem to go from that place, like like at like there fills dirt at ground in rainy season, and when we go from there we get dirty, and so this is a disadvantage in this season. And but children like this season very much, because in this season they like to bath in rain, and they also make paper boats and play with them in this season. and and so that's it.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा. Anvi.
Hello everyone, my today's topic is rain. So we all know rain has two names. Rain and monsoon. Everyone likes to bath in rain, but we do not bath in rain.
Should. Okay. बोलो बोलो. हाँ, बोलो.
Because it is harmful for our skin, and
Focus करो बेटा. शाबाश.
and on rain dirty holes are made in road and then streets, so we cannot drive scooty and car in
शाबाश.
it. Sometimes it is very dirty, so we cannot sorry, it is very sleepy, so we cannot walk in it
शाबाश. शाबाश.
and drive any vehicle in it. And on rainy season, dirty water is सर इकट्ठा होने को क्या कहते हैं?
Is everywhere. Is चारों तरफ dirty water होता है. Gets collected. Dirty water gets collected.
Dirty water collected in the holes and rainy season is my favorite season. And the children also likes to bath in rain. I also like to bath in rain. And on rainy season, we can go anywhere because of rain. And heavy rain and सर ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हैं? बर्फ के जो ओले पड़ता है उनको कैसे कह सकते हैं?
क्या?
बर्फ के ओले पड़ता है उनको कैसे कह सकते हैं?
Hail.
Rain and hails.
Sometimes it hails.
Sometimes it hails and we can get hurt. So on rainy season, when rain causes, we also take care of it. TV and phones are switch off, and lights also switch off, because on rainy season.
In rainy
Sir,
season. In rainy season. There is lightning.
In rainy season.
There is lightning. बिजली electricity.
There is
हाँ बोलो.
lightning or electricity. So I request from everyone switch off their TVs and lights on rainy season. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, नाइस एफर्ट्स, बहुत शानदार, अच्छे से, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तुमने, वेरी गुड, ऐसी कोशिश करो बेटा बस। यस
Thank you, sir.
कोमल,
Hello, everyone. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. And my name is Komal Berwa, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interpretive classes from batch 11. And today our topic is rainy season. You all know that we have many types of seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring, and rainy season also. And all seasons make us happy. And we all know that there are different types of seasons, and all different seasons give many different things to us. And all seasons have many different types of things, and the rainy season is one of them. Rainy season have many disadvantages and advantages also. And in the rainy season, people feel very happy, and on the tree, leaves, new leaves and new flowers are come on trees and plants also, and different types of fruits and vegetables come in market, and people enjoy that eats. And on in the rainy season, people go to different types of places to visiting, like in Shimla, in Nainital, and in mountain areas, etc. And all mountain areas and different types of greenery areas looking very beautiful on the
शाबाश,
season.
हाँ,
And we all know that rainy season is also have many disadvantages also, because poor people can't live with happily, because they have many mud houses and huts, so they can't feel happy, and they also think that why we should when its season is going on, and many there are many types of we can see many accidents on this season. And because people can't drive with focus, and they can't drive with the focus and concentration on rainy season. And we should help poor people in that season. And 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 dirty water here going on here and there. And we can say that it is good and bad season also. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। विपिन,
हमने बदल लेते हैं।
ये किसका माइक चालू है बेटा, ये जरा बंद करना अपना माइक, जिसका मैं नाम बोलूं उसके अलावा किसी का माइक नहीं चालू रहना चाहिए। विपिन आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic name is monsoon season. Monsoon season is 3 months.
Please off 3 months, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, धीरे धीरे बोलो तो समझे।
Monsoon season is very good season. It is India started 1st June and ends in September.
ऐसे बोलो, शाबाश बेटा, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से दिमाग लगा लगा के बोलो बेटा। हाँ,
We wear and use umbrellas.
शाबाश,
Monsoon season is crops bajra, jowar, makka. Sometimes we also see a rainbow after it rains.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। कैमरा चालू करते ना। शकल दिखा के बोल अच्छे से, ऐसे, शाबाश, ऐसे और बोल।
Monsoon season it pakodi.
हैं? Bhaiya's pakodis in monsoon season. आराम से बोल, फोकस कर थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस पे. हाँ,
That's it, sir.
अच्छा बोल रहा था. थोड़ा फोकस करके बोला कर, तब अच्छा बोलता है बेटा. तू ध्यान से बोला कर थोड़ा सा, है ना. हाँ, ओके, वेरी गुड. आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today our topic is raining season. As you all know that rainy season is very fun, is very funniest season in the world because in the season we bath in the rain, and this is very enjoyable for children. And so many advantages and disadvantages of raining season. First, I say advantages. First we eat pakoras and tea. First we eat pakoras and drink tea, and this is very nice thing.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
And
अच्छे से बोलो और कोशिश करो अच्छे से. हाँ, बोलो, शाबाश.
and we jump in puddles. And now I say disadvantages. Disadvantages like we go our family member house and we eat something. So go in grocery shop. So our legs become dirty, and this is very bad thing because our father says that first wash your legs because you सर गाड़ी के अंदर डाल देंगे, इसका क्या कहेंगे? गाड़ी के अंदर डाल देंगे, इसको क्या कहेंगे?
काट के अंदर डाल देंगे.
हाँ, ऐसे गंदे पैर गाड़ी के अंदर डाल देंगे ना.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. And father scolds us if we came into with our dirty feet. अब आगे बोलो.
Yes sir. And our father
और वैसे बोलना है तो ऐसे बोल दो. Father says that he would cut our leg
yes sir.
if we didn't
Our
clean
father
it. आगे बोलो. हाँ,
our father tell us that first you wash your legs because your legs are dirty. And I say advantage of rain because I say advantage of rain, like farmers grow their crops, and when rain start, so farmers don't give water to their crops because rain give them water. And this is very nice thing in the world. At last I want to say that can you like rainy season? Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला आपने. अपने थॉट्स को थोड़ा सा और थोड़े से कंटेंट्स को और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करो बेटा, है ना. हाँ, चलो नाउ सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes of B16, and today I am here with a topic that is the rainy season. As you know that we live in India, and India has mainly 5 seasons. And the names of seasons are winter season, summer season, rainy season, autumn season, and spring season. And all seasons have their own importance in their season, and rainy season is one of them. And I want to tell you that why we call it rainy season, because there is rain most of time, so we call it a rainy season. And rain fills the country with water. So we also call it a monsoon. And monsoon starts from June, and it goes in September. It is liked by all, mainly by the children, because they like to take bath in this season, and they also like to play in it. And all people like to eat pakodi and have coffee, enjoying this season. And it is very helpful for farmers, because in this season they don't have to irrigate their farms, and they do farming of bajra, makka, and ganna, etc. And as you know that everything has two sides. First is good side, and the second is bad side. And it also has a bad side. What? In this season, people can't go without umbrella and raincoat, because if they go, so they maybe face rain. So I think that people should use raincoat and umbrella, and most of people like to go their workplace in car, because it saves them from rain. So at last I want to say you that enjoy it. So that's it.
Shabash, very good. Priya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyamina. Today's our topic is rainy season. As we all know very well, that there are many types of seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and rainy. So, and rainy season is one of them. Rainy season comes in the month of June, and it is my favorite season because I am the daughter of a farmer. So, the benefits of rainy season. It is a life for farmers. Uh, they they grow crop in the they grow kharif crop in this season like jwar, bajra, makka, til, moongfali, etc. And rainy season is a lifetime for them, and the crop becomes very nice, and it is a present of a good harvest also.
Shabash.
uh, Many children get opportunity to be wet in the open sky, and they play in the mud and puddles also, and they make paper boats, and सर उसको चलाने को क्या
They play with it. They try
they
to
play
move
with.
it in water.
Yes, sir. They play with it in the rainy season, and many people enjoy this season with a cup of tea or coffee while watching the rain outside. And we make many dishes in this season like pakodi, halwa, or parathe, etc. And the whole environment becomes greenery, and
Green.
and the outside view is very nice, and we get a chance to see rainbow and falls also. And in the rainy season we use umbrella and raincoat also to save ourselves to be wet. And there are many challenges in the rainy seasons like lack of electricity and traffic also, and floods also. In the last, I want to say that this is my favorite season. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, very good. Keep it up. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi from the student of the class Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today we have a very common topic whose name is rainy season.
शाबाश बेटा.
As you know that there are many seasons like autumn, winters, summer, and rainy season. And now I'm talking about the rainy season. And in India, there are many states that the rainy season comes, like Mumbai, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Cherrapunji. And rainy season is a very beautiful season, and as you can see, the rainy season is going on at this time, and it is a very beautiful season, and I like this season so much. And there are many disadvantages, like there are many diseases like malaria and dengue, and you can see our food spoils from this season, and there are and when we dance in the rainy season, uh, we become ill, and we get fever, malaria, dengue, etc. And and I'm telling about the advantages of this season. Children make paper boat in this season, and they dance in this season, and they play in the mud, and when the when the when we go outside, we see the season is very beautiful, so we can go anywhere with the help of our vehicle, and after raining we can see the rainbow, and rainbow looks very beautiful, and I love to see the rainbow, and there are many fruits that comes in the season, like lychee, jamun, and apple, etc. And we eat the butta in this season, and it is a very beautiful season, and our earth becomes so green.
शाबाश.
The water comes from the cloud, and it flow, and it सर गिरना को क्या बोलते हैं? गिरना है ना वो पानी,
Fall यानी
and it flows into the ground, and it is called rainwater harvesting, and especially in Rajasthan, the rainy season comes in this season very late, and sometimes some people collect the rainwater and groundwater, and they collect in the tankas and lagoons, etc. And rainy season is a very beautiful, because everyone, all creatures, especially birds, animals, and all human beings uh, feel very relaxed from the heating. And the rainy season comes in the month of June, and it ends in the September. And the kharif crop like bajra, maize, etc. And especially the rice is very need the water because it grows very fast, and rice is grown in many states like Haryana, Punjab, Mumbai, etc. and Tamil Nadu also. And in the last, I want to say that I like this season so much. Thank you, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is the raining season. Raining season is a very beautiful season, and it comes in July, and there are many advantages and disadvantages of raining season, and we like to eat samosa, kachori, etc. while raining, and traffics are jammed in raining season, and many people are in hurry, so many accidents are happened, and we can see rainbow after raining, and we can wear raincoat in rainy season. We can go outside by car, and there are many muds while raining season,
Much mud.
and
Really much,
yes, sir. In raining season we are happy when it rain all the night, and it stop while school time, so we are not happy because we have to go to school, and flowers blooms, and the birds are chirping, and कोयल sing a sweet song after the raining season,
तुम दिखती हो इसमें.
and when the rain comes very high speed, many crops are destroyed, and farmers have lost sometime it is very sometime it सर बर्बाद को क्या बोलते हैं?
हैं?
बर्बाद को बर्बाद करना.
Destroy.
हाँ, sometime it destroyed all the crops, and we should use umbrella in raining season, and lights strikes in rain, so all the mothers don't go their children in rain.
Don't let their children
And
go. Let यहाँ पर use होगा.
Don't
let
yes,
their
sir.
children go.
Don't let children go, and storms comes in rainy season, and many mini creatures. सर जीव जंतु को क्या बोलेंगे? क्रिएचर्स.
क्या? हाँ
Sir,
creatures,
छोटे
creatures, all
छोटे
creatures, हाँ.
many creatures are born and I like rainy season. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा ऐसे. गर्वित, गर्वित,
Yes, sir. Yes,
आजा,
sir.
हाँ आजा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today my topic is rainy season. I do not like rainy season. No. Yes, sir. I like rainy season. I like rainy season and we can eat. And I like to eat in rainy season like pakode, tea, and garam kachori.
अच्छा.
And
गरम
yes, sir.
कचौड़ी.
And rain.
हाँ. चटोरा हो रहा है, गरम कचौड़ी.
And rain.
हाँ.
Water is harmful for our skin and we cannot drive in rainy day in because the road is slippery. That's why we do not drive a car in rainy season. Yes, sir. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. थोड़ा टिक के बैठ के बोल लेता तो और भी मजा आता. घूम रहा है पूरे मकान में. चल बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड. यस, खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushbu Gujjar. My topic is rainy season. There are many types of seasons like summer season, winter season, rainy season, etc. Rainy season, one of them, which brings both relief and challenges.
शाबाश.
And rainy season is the most beautiful season. It starts after summer season always, and we can see rainbow in this season. And people use umbrella and raincoat. Farmer are happy because it helps the growth to their crops. And due to heavy rain, crops are spoiled.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड.
Spoiled. And children are happy in this season and play in rain. Sometime due to heavy rain, the power is gone.
Power is cut.
So
yeah, there is power cut. There is power cut.
There is power cut. So we should switch off to their home lights.
They are our home lights.
Our home lights. And nature looks are so beautiful and green. And that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश करो. Very good. Now, काजल. क्या हो गया इसको? काजल डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई. चल रिया तू आ.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Today my topic is rainy season. Uh, there is many seasons in the whole. There are many seasons in the whole year. In the whole year, like summer, winter, spring, and rainy season. Rainy season rainy season start in June and stay until September.
इनको क्यों लगा रहे हो? टिल सितंबर, ठीक है, आगे बोलो.
Till September. Rainy season, when rain comes, the farmers grow our feet. नहीं सर बो देते हैं खेतों. The farmers grow crops like bajra, makka, ganna, til, urad, or etc. It is very beautiful season. It is very lovely season. Rain gives many benefits. Many benefits. We can go visit anywhere. Everywhere looks very beautiful and green. When I was child, I played very much in the rain. I belonged to village, so I saw the rainy season. The rainy season is very important for all farmers because it fulfills their all needs. When rain comes, all people make chai and pakoris and enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. This advantage of the rainy season, mosquito bacteria and many diseases come in the rainy season.
घबराए मत, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, वेरी गुड. ये ऐसे ही होता है, ऐसे ही होता है, सिस्टम ऐसे ही बनेगा बेटा. बोल.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Rain. I like to bath in the rain. And at last, I want to say that we should do water harvest because water is very important for us. Very important for us. फिर इसको क्या बोलेंगे? हमें नेचर के द्वारा दिया एक तोहफा है.
It is a gift of nature.
It is the gift of nature. That's it, sir.
Very good. ऐसी कोशिश करो बेटा, सब आ जाएगा. फ्लो की चिंता मत करो तुम. चल मुस्कान तू आ जा, पहले फिर बुलाऊंगा काजल को. आ जा.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. And today my topic is the raining season. Raining season is part of nature. It is very useful, and it comes after some summer season, and it comes in June, and it end in September, and the environment looks green,
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. धीरे-धीरे बोलो बेटा, ऐसे तसल्ली से.
and it
known as monsoon season,
शाबाश
and and in village farmer grow crops like ganna, sweet corns, and bajra,
वेरी गुड
till etc.
शाबाश बहुत बोल दीजिए ऐसे धीरे 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 समझ बेटा
It and in this season, electricity not work properly.
वेरी गुड does not work properly बोल दीजिए
In this season, we make pakode, tea, parathe, etc. And in this season, children bath. In this season, children bath in rain,
वेरी गुड
and children play and also, children make paper boat and play with water, and
they make
and
them
in this
not हाँ बोलो 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 कोई बात नहीं बोलो बेटा
so in this season comes mosquito and many diseases.
brings rainy season brings mosquitoes and other problems insects ऐसे बोलो आगे बोलो
So, and it is harmful for our health. People use umbrella
शाबाश
and raincoat, and in rain and chill and it raining season in this season all roads are full with waters,
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया हाँ ऐसे बनाया करो सेंटेंस
and we and yes sir, and sometimes due to heavy rain, so cricket matches are stopped.
are cancelled are postponed शाबाश स्टॉप भी ठीक है बोल तू आगे बोल
Okay. And sometimes due to heavy rain, so it is harmful for farmers, and I like rainy season. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश बेटा बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट से बेटा वेरी गुड काजल अब आ बेटा
This is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is rainy season. As we all know that very well that there are so many seasons like autumn, rain season, and summer, winter, etc. This season is one of them. It is called also monsoon, and in season nature looks green and greenery everywhere, and in this season we use umbrella and raincoats
वेरी गुड हाँ
to save us, and useful for farmers because season can grow crops, and there are many crops we can grow in the season,
शाबाश शाबाश
ganna, etc. And sometimes it is raining very heavy, and we can face many challenges like and flood, etc. And, everything also times, and it is very harmful for farmers, and also it's very beautiful because many children play with mud and and bath in rain, and they enjoy this season so much, and some people enjoy it with the cup of tea and pakoras, parathas, etc. And it is very beautiful season because in this season many trees we can plant, and flowers comes on trees, and nature uh, look like uh, it is and we feel happiness
शाबाश
in this,
बोल बेटा
and
बेटा हाँ
it is a very beautiful season, but sometimes many poor people it is harmful for poor people because which because poor people live in huts, and heavy rain and storms destroy their huts, and they problems, and sometimes people uh, people sell fruits, vegetables on the footpath. Have- क्या बोलेंगे,
बेटा
नहीं बोलेंगे ना, बान फ्लो, बाना
हाँ बहना फ्लो बहाव बहना ठीक है फ्लो
फ्लो, these things, and they can face many problems, and sometimes heavy in heavy rain many accidents are happened,
टेक
and
प्लेस भी कह सकते हो आप बोलो आगे बोलो बोल करो हाँ
and in this season we face many problems, and we do not come outside our house, and if we go outside, uh, so we should take umbrella and raincoat with us, and it is good for us, and we should diseases are diseases comes in the season, many mosquito and many
insects
insects पैदा होते हैं.
come from nowhere
Okay, sir. Come from anywhere, and it is very beautiful and harmful.
हो गया शाबाश वेरी गुड मजे से कोशिश क्या करो बेटा बहुत अच्छा सुनना जरूर कोशिश करते रहो बेटा ऐसी मधु
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumar Amina. Today, my topic is rainy season. There are some, there are many seasons of in India, like rainy season, winter season, summer season,
आवाज कम आ रही है
spring season, and autumn season.
हाँ भाई माइक के पास
Yes,
गए।
sir. Okay, sir. Rainy season is one of them. It is very beautiful season, and it is also known monsoon season.
मानसून, हाँ बोलो।
Okay, sir. Rainy season is uh, useful for farmers because farmers grow crops like bajra, makka, ganna, moong, mufli, etc. So rainy season it is useful for their crops, and people like to eat pakodi, paratha, and coffee, etc. And there there is greenery, and so people like to travel in mountain, and they enjoy this season. They click where a lot pictures with nature, and um, children also like this season because play and they play and bath in rain. They make paper boats, and they play it in rain water, and uh, nature nature looks are very beautiful. So but sometime dirty water get collected, which create some problems like traveling, and uh, and electricity is not electricity does not work proper, and so students does not proper their study, and heavy rain also affect our crops
पानी की बोतल दे देना।
because heavy rain does not useful for
Is not
our
useful.
crops, is not useful for our crops, and sometime heavy rain सर रूप लेना को क्या बोलते हैं सर? बाढ़ का रूप ले लेती है।
Takes the form of flood.
Yes, sir.
Turns into flood.
Heavy rain turns into flood, so very harmful for people and their property, etc. And I like to rainy season because nature looks are very beautiful, and I spend time with nature in this season. That's it, sir.
Very good, बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj, and today my topic is monsoon or rain season. You know there are.
दिख क्यों नहीं रहा मेरे को तो? अंधेरे में बैठा है बिल्कुल, क्या है?
Sir, electricity.
अच्छा बोल।
You know there are majorly three.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ा अपना।
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. There are majorly 3 to 4 types of seasons that are such as summer, winter, and autumn and spring. And then there is a rain season, that is one of them. The peak months of rainy season are between between July and August, and and when is and monsoon also brings diseases with it, and sir, that's it.
बस कंजूसी करता है यार तू, बहुत अच्छा बोल सकता है, खूब बोल सकता है, कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम अच्छे से और अच्छे से कुछ बोल, अच्छा बोलता अच्छा है, थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ा अपनी। यस नाउ
हेलो सर।
एक मिनट, हाँ कौन बोल रहा है?
सर एक बार सुनना।
अब बोल।
सर मैं सोनिया बोल रही हूँ।
अब बोल।
सर मेरे बुखार हो रहा है सर, मैं ना बोल नहीं सकती, खाली सुन लूँ।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, सुन ले। हाँ सुनती रहे बेटा, तू सुनती रहे बेटा, है ना बेटा?
ठीक।
सुन ले खाली। हाँ बेटा। सिमरन।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Simran Gujar. Today's my topic, the rainy season. There are many seasons like autumn, spring, and winter and summer. But I like rainy season because I like bath in the rain.
Very good.
And children like play in the rain. And the children make paper boat in the rainy season. In this season, the people like to eat pakodi and drink tea in this season. And I like colorful umbrellas and rainy coat in this season.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोलती रहे।
The smell of soil is felt everywhere during the rainy season. In the rainy season, sometime rainbow appeared in the sky. The rainy season. In this season, lack of electricity. नहीं serious नहीं आएगा.
There is lacking of electricity.
हाँ sir. There is lacking of electricity. That's it.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया। अंजलि।
Sir, everyone, this is Anjali. Today my topic is rainy season, and
अंजलि
there are
हाँ तुम ही हो क्या? अंजलि कुमारी तुम ही हो, बोलो।
there are many seasons like summer, rainy season, and autumn, and winter, etc. And rainy season is one of them. Rainy season is rainy season is a beautiful season. In this season, we feel happy and we feel happy, and in this season, we go outside. In this season,
the farmer grow kharif crops like bajra, sweet corn, jawar, etc. In this season, we make many dishes like paratha, halwa, pakodi, and we drink tea, etc. I like rainy season, and I bath to rain. This season, the children play with that bath in rain, and they play mud, and they make boat, etc. And during the rainy season, we see in and we take some photos with rainbow. And in this season, we use umbrella and coat, etc.
Very good. बोलते रहो.
The whole environment green, and there are many new vegetables come in market, like, and there are many fruits come in market like jamun and apple, etc. During the rainy season, many people go Nainital, Uttarakhand, Manali, etc. In this season, we grow, etc. There are many diseases come in environment in this season, like malaria, dengue, etc. In this season, we face many problems like lack of electricity, traffic, flood, etc. During the heavy rain, the roads
become dirty.
sir, become dirty, and पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Water everywhere.
Water collect on the roads and shops, and I like rainy season. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. कई दिनों में बोला तुमने, पिछले सैटरडे को भी नहीं थे तुम. ठीक है.
सर एग्जाम थे उस टाइम.
नताशा जी, जिसने नाम नहीं लिखा नाम लिखो अपना फटाफट से, क्लास अब होने वाली है बस. आजा बेटा. अंजलि ने नाम भी लिखा अपना. अंजलि नाम लिखो दोनों. अंजलि बोल बेटा.
I am Natasha. Today's my topic name is rainy season. There are many seasons in a year, like winter, summer, spring, autumn, rainy, etc. Rainy season of rainy season is a very beautiful season. It comes after summer season.
Very good. Shabash beta.
It gives a gift of nature. Nature is a beautiful and green. It starts in 15 June and ends last September. It is very important for a farmer because farmer grows crops like ganna, mostly jar, bajra, etc. I like to walk in outside this season, and I always enjoy rainy season. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बस इसी करते रहो. प्रियंका.
Good evening. Today my topic is running season. Running season. It is also called monsoon season. This season begin in June and सर खत्म को क्या बोलते हैं?
Starts in June and ends in October.
Ends in September.
September. हाँ.
The rainy session is a present season. सर बीमारी को क्या बोलेंगे?
Disease.
There are many. सर क्या बोलेंगे?
Disease. Many
diseases. Disease. The
in rainy season.
During the rainy season.
छोटे सेंटेंस मना और बोल.
I also enjoy pakodi, kachori and samosa, etc. सर इस मौसम में चावल की खेती होती है क्या बोल? Running is
rice is grown.
Rice is farming
in this season.
This season. That's it, sir.
कोशिश कर बेटा. फोकस किया कर थोड़ा. फोकस तेरा आज कम था तेरा. कोई बात नहीं. और ध्यान से ना. हाँ थोड़ा सा चीजों. किरण.
Yes, sir. Today's my topic is raining season. Raining season. I like raining season.
Rainy.
The children play in rainy season. We eat pakodi and paratha and tea in raining season. There are diseases in raining season. That's raining season is a beautiful season. The raining season we see greenery everywhere.
शाबाश.
This this season is very important in India. The- all children take bath in raining season. This is a lot of rain in monsoon season.
There is कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू, हो जाएगा।
Raining season is a good season. That's it, sir.
मीनू मीनू ये तो यही थी। चलो खुशी तुम आओ जब तक।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushimena. Today, my topic is rainy season. There are many seasons like rainy season, summer season, winter season, etc. Rainy season is one of them.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ
It is my favorite season because I like rain.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ
It starts from June. In rainy season, jowar and bajra are grown.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बोल बेटा।
We should use umbrella in rainy season.
Very good.
We can see rainbow in rainy season. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस बनाए बेटा। वैसे थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा अपने बोलने की, है ना? बोलने की लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा, आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे, कोई चिंता मत करो। यस मीनू आ गई क्या? हाँ आ जा बेटा।
Good evening, everyone. Today my topic is rainy season. There are many seasons, but the rainy season is one of them. Rainy season is my favorite season because in rainy season grasses are green and soils are wet. Soil remain wet.
हाँ ठीक है बेटा। हाँ जाओ जाओ, ठीक है बेटा।
Continue करो।
बेटा बोल। हेलो।
It starts from June. It starts from June and end until September. People are make pakodi with tea. We see rainbow in the sky. People grow jowar and bajras. That's it, sir.
अरे थोड़ी सी तो लेंथ बढ़ा बेटा, थोड़ा सा लेंथ। कोई बात नहीं बेटा, थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी, है ना? थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी, है ना? हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। हाँ बेटा आ जाओ। रोशन।
Good evening, sir. Today my topic name is the rainy season. Today my topic name is the rainy season. The rainy season is one of the 6 seasons in India. It always comes after the summer season. The season begins in June and ends
बेटा आवाज कम आ रही है तुम्हारी, थोड़ी सी आवाज बढ़ाओ, अपना वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपना।
It does a lot of good to the animal and plant. It this season gives us from the sun relief from the sun heat, owing to heavy rainfall, various source water like ponds, wells, and the rivers are filled with water. The rainy seasons, we go outside, we walk around water, and the rainy seasons, it is very important for farmers. Farmers are very happy because farmers grow vegetable and crops like guar, bajra, watermelon, rice, ganna, etc. And the rainy seasons, the weather is very nice. Yeah, the weather becomes very nice. And we see green trees and plants all around. And the rainy season, the roads are very bad. And we would be hopeless everywhere. And electricity electricity does not work properly. And the rainy season, it can see rainbow after rain. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। और कोई है? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।